Promoter for the Trinidad show. Remember, years me know you. Remember when you forward initially for the show. My lawyer was there. My manager was there. Remember the sign-in was recorded.
Vybz Kartel made the right decision by cancelling this performance. What's behind, everything is that Vybz Kartel, this is bigger than the show. This is about respect, brand integrity.
Summertime in the mother, I come from tonight. The fucker. Jacko, you wicked mother, I can't like you. Go, just pay the man. Or you what the man do it.
The cost of living in Jamaica does not match how much the income level is. You think that because all these resorts are on the island that people are making money and the tourism is helping the people of Jamaica? It is not.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we'll go over the reason Vybz Kartel canceled his show in Trinidad, the Trinidadians reacting, and also this lady was giving us the reason as to why some tourists thought that Jamaicans were making money, only to find out some of us are living off of $100 a week. So if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, leave a like on the video, and share. So what you're seeing in front of you are people that were at the the stage show that Vybz Kartel is supposed to show up, but he didn't. So the patrons are angry. They want back their money. So Vybz Kartel put out a video and explained what happened between him and the promoter and why he canceled regarding, a breach of contract. Check this out.
Promoter for the Trinidad show. Remember, years me know you. Remember when you forward initially for the show. My lawyer was there. My manager was there. Remember the sign-in was recorded. Remember the money where you're talking about, the legal team, out of my money it forward. Because remember your ball, and I say, TJ, me know him long time, give him a blind. TJ reluctantly give a blind. You miss deadline after deadline. Me beg for him, say TJ, give him a blind. You bring me now in a loggerheads with the government of Trinidad. Me never tell you someone do no school. My job is to perform for the people. Me's an entertainer. I get paid to entertain. Remember, you wanted to keep the show during Carnival. Me look for you, me say you can't do that. Don't mess with the culture. Carnival, Trinidad thing, make them do them thing. TJ tell if you don't do it. Angostura tell if you don't do it. Cartel tell if you don't do it. Countless people tell if you don't do it. You force the issue till eventually you see say it can't work. So now you did want to bring me at loggerheads with the culture of Trinidad. Deadline after deadline, crying after crying. You just couldn't manage a cartel show, and that you need to tell the people them. In a discussion. My only regret in the situation is that the Trinidad people are them you rob out of the chance to see cartel after so many years. So I see me a positivity, me I deal with and good energy. So I apologize to the Trinidad people. Big up the government of Trinidad. And I blame myself in some way because I should have known say and every promoter can manage Vybz Kartel. It takes a lot.
So Owain Allen Media, he has a YouTube channel and he's also on Instagram, but he's going to explain further in detail as to why Vybz Kartel canceled regarding, reaching of contract and, representing his brand and stuff like that. But he'll get into it further. Check this out.
This is what I think about everything. Vybz Kartel did the right thing. Thank you. You know what I mean? And let me tell you why. Because Vybz Kartel made the right decision by cancelling this performance. What's behind, everything is that Vybz Kartel, this is bigger than the show. This is about respect, brand integrity, and how we treat our own icons in the Caribbean. First of all, let's address the fact that the promoter failed to meet contractual obligations. That alone is a deal breaker. Whether Kartel or any other artist, a promoter has the responsibility to honor the terms they agreed to. If you're organizing an international event and inviting world-class talent like Vybz Kartel, you must conduct business at a world-class level. That is just it, but it goes deeper than that. There were additional restrictions placed on Vybz Kartel that were not applied to any other artists in the lineup, Chronicle and Malidan, you know what I mean, and who who perform the same style of dancehall music and the same lyrics, yet no extra conditions were placed on them. That's unfair, you know what I mean? And that's targeted. That's my target Vybz Kartel. And let's also look at specific examples. The ban on glass bottles at the venue. On the surface, this might seem like a security measure, but anyone who understands Caribbean events knows that really affects Vybz Kartel brand. You know what I mean? Vybz Kartel, Street Vibes Drum and everything like that. They're targeting Vybz Kartel personally. That's a direct blow to Vybz Kartel visibility and his revenue. And to me, that is just a personal move. Now ask yourself, if Vybz Kartel, you know, would still show up, would you perform under those circumstances if you were Vybz Kartel? Knowing the presence, knowing that you were not respected the way you were supposed to, your brand was censored, and other artists not being held at the same standards. A joke thing them depend. Personally, I wouldn't walk into anybody's house if I wasn't respected or wanted. That's a joke thing. You know what I mean? It's insulting to imply that Trinidad was doing Kartel a favor by inviting him. Let's be clear, Vybz Kartel performing in Trinidad would have pumped millions of dollars into the local economy. His fan base is massive, you know what I mean, from airline tickets, hotel bookings, local transport, food vendors, merch sales, everything. The economy would just have a ripple effect.
Speaking of hotels and economy, there's this lady that looks like she recently moved back to Jamaica, and she is explaining to those foreigners who come down here and think the hotel worker they might make millions. She gonna make them know say, some of them are only I get $100 a week, so be kind. And also that down here hard expensive. So check this out.
One thing I learned about living in Jamaica is that the cost of living in Jamaica does not match how much the income level is. You think that because all these resorts are on the island that people are making money and the tourism is helping the people of Jamaica? It is not. Because the resorts are not paying them what they should be making. The resorts are charging $500, $600, $700 a night, and there's people on the resorts working their butt off, and they're only making $100 a week. And grocery shopping is damn near just as expensive as it is in the States, which doesn't make any sense. The income level and the cost of living do not match here. They want to make the cost of living here US. They're selling houses in US dollars. And this is not the US, this is Jamaica. Make it make sense. I understand now why born Jamaicans will come to yard and sneak to yard and say, yeah, I didn't tell nobody I was coming, because they know that they're gonna get begged to bring all these different things. But people would not be begging if things just aligned, if cost of living and income levels matched. This will not be a problem. And this is where, like, the Jamaican government, don't get me started on Jamaican government. Probably gonna come after me if I start talking shit about them. So it's actually insane what they put people through here. And this is why, if you want to live in Jamaica, it's best that you make foreign income, like US dollars, or if you're from UK income, because it's not real. Good morning.
When I tell you Trinidad fans are upset, they are upset. Listen to this guy. He said, want back his money. He said, Balidan. And Balidan gave a chat. I saw him say, he said, nah, pay no $500 for stay. Lady Lava ain't just want cartel. So check this out.
Listen to me. You can't tell me I pay $3,000 to see fucking Lady Lava. Fuck away. You can't. It is not carnival time. You can't tell me I'm paying $3,000 to see fucking Ravi B. I'm pretty. You dig? Kartel not coming. It's Kartel was the main show, you know. Molly and Chronicle on them. We are accustomed seeing them for 500. And we are accustomed seeing Molly and Chronicle for 500. $1,000 for the most. That'll be the VIP. 5,000 was for Kartel. And now the man not coming. We walk with fucking. We walk with no. Boy, tell Jacko we walk some kind of fucking money, boy. Them a smart man, boy. Oh, you see tonight, that's why rain falling. Tonight gonna be a pool party.
Oh,
yeah. What if you all are rain falling today? Tonight the 7 are gonna be a mud party. If you lead for the beach, you have to reach. Summertime in the mud, I come from tonight. The fucker. Jacko, you wicked mother, I can't like you. Oh God, just pay the man. Or you what the man do it. Watch out. You ain't see the carry Molly down on the radio show? Molly down carry him fucking talk properly on the radio show. What do you say? You carry him fucking talk properly on the people radio fucking show. You ain't see that? We ain't fucking way. I'm not gonna I Bobby Bill and laugh. I say about fucking me, so I'm not going to some other shit. I Bobby Bill I'm not going off. Lava done fuck me up in a song already. What I going into fantasy lava again for? I don't pay no. Oh, you're mad if I go in. If I go in Cartel cancel no. Cartel cancel, so Cartel not coming. So therefore I have no reason to be in Savannah. I have no reason to be there. Cartel cancel. That is it. The dog cancel. He pulled the plug on them. Imagine. Guyanese get it correct and Trinidadians can't get it correct. Fuck up thing, eh? Just last week the man was in Guyana performing. Like to show Trinidadians always have racket. Like to show Trinidadians always have fucking racket. Always a racket.
So last night at the Youth Viewer Awards, Andrew Olness became a chauffeur for Niger Boy while he was performing on stage. Check this out.
Like when me bring her to the park and she must be she answer my quest. I come from and that one like she a good girl, but if you know the amount of confess, she the way she comfy.
So a couple hours ago, Sidem must have on Instagram. I watch Kartel. I like the girl in pictures, so she put him in a place. Check this out.
Why are you counting the pictures that I like on the girl's page?
Why not?
You're that jealous?
No.
So why are you counting pictures that I like?
I'm making you aware of yourself.
You're making me aware of myself. I'm making the public aware of you. I'm out.
You think Sidem music? Share reminds. Hey, you think me not see you? Me see you. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share, and turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.